Hello students, how are you? Welcome back to my channel Sushan's Chemistry. My dear students, today I am going to discuss about how to calculate the atomic mass of first 30 elements, that is hydrogen to zinc within 5 minutes with short tricks. Okay, now discuss atomic mass. Atomic mass. Okay. A is the symbol of atomic mass. मैं जो कहूँ छे पारमाणविक वस्तुत्व. ओके, रूल कौन पिले रूल फॉर एटॉमिक नंबर सिंबल Z. रूल फॉर नंबर 1 to 20 elements. 1 to 20 elements. That is hydrogen 1 to calcium 20. Okay. Rule 1 for even atomic number. For even atomic number, we apply rule 2Z. 2Z rule. What is Z? Z is called atomic number. ताले what is V number माने जुग्म संख्या जहाँ दो द्वारा विभाज्य. That is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Okay, those elements which are divisible by 2, that is called even number. हम पके रूल पकेबा 2Z रूल पकेबा. what is Z? अरे नंबर ताथला जो एलिमेंट माने अरे नंबर जुग्म ही थिबो मास ना करबा जा के नंबर थो गुणी दबा 2 into Z. Okay, for all atomic number कम लगेगा 2Z plus 1. और माने मन बोले अजुग्म संख्या तारथला जो संख्याटा दुई द्वारा विभाजन है के 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. Okay, here Z also called atomic number. ओके, जहाँ जुग्म होइथिबो कम करिवो 2 रे गुणिबो, तर अजुग्म होइथिबो 2 रे गुणिबो एक मिसेबो. ओके, some elements are present in between 120 not obey these two rules. Exception અને બીજું દેખે કોને હાઇડ્રોજન 1, बेरिलियम 4, नाइट्रोजन 7, क्लोरीन 17, आर्गन 18. ओके, हरित atomic mass of hydrogen 1.008 और कहूचे 1.008 1.008 और कहूचे 1. बेरिलियम 4 is even number but not obey 2Z rule. That obey 2Z plus 1 rule. That is 9. 2Z plus 1 rule मानियो के बेरिलियम. Okay, nitrogen 7 odd number not obey 2Z plus 1 rule. That obey even atomic number rule. That is 14. Mass number 14. That obey 2Z rule. Right? Chlorine is odd number. 7 is odd number but not obey 2Z plus 1 rule. That obey 2Z plus 1.5 rule. Right? Similarly, argon 18 is a even number not obey 2Z rule. That obey 2Z plus 4 rule. Right? These are rules to calculate the atomic mass of 1 to 20 elements. Right? Similarly, rule for rule for atomic number 21 to 30, that is scandium 21 to zinc 30, right? rule कौन कहूँ rule कहला for even atomic number rule पकेबा 2z plus 4 rule. What is z? That is called atomic number. For odd atomic number we apply 2z plus 5 rule. Okay, some elements present in between 21 to 30 not obey this two rule. Exception, this rule for scandium 21 and nickel 28 we apply 2z plus 3 rule. Okay, for copper 29 we apply 2z plus 5.5 rule. For zinc we apply zinc 30 we apply 2z plus 5 rule. Okay, the rules for even and odd number in between 21 to 30, right? Then I am going to calculate the atomic mass of all the elements serially. Okay, I take 3 columns: elements, atomic number, symbol Z, mass number A. I am repeating this rule. 2z rule for 1 to 20 elements, 2z for का पाई even number पाई, 2z plus 1 का पाई odd number पाई, right? For 21 to 30 elements पाई 2z plus 4 का पाई even पाई, 2z plus 5 का पाई odd पाई, right? Suppose you take hydrogen, number 1, a mass 1.008 or called 1, right? Hydrogen, helium 2 even number we apply 2z rule, 2 into 2 that is 4 we apply 2z rule here, right? And helium, lithium 3, okay, we apply 3 odd number we apply 2z plus 1 rule, 2 into 3 plus 1 that is 7 we apply 2z plus 1 rule. Lithium, beryllium that is 4 even number but not obey this rule, 2z rule, we apply 2 into 4 plus 1 that is 9, we apply 2z plus 1 rule, that is exception. Okay, hydrogen also exception. Beryllium, boron 5 वाला odd number we apply 2z plus 1 rule, 2 into 5 plus 1 that is 11, we apply 2z plus 1 rule, right? Similarly carbon 6 even number, okay, we apply 2z rule, 2 into 6 that is 12, that is 2z rule, right? Nitrogen 7 वाला odd number we apply 2z plus 1 rule but that is different from others. For nitrogen we apply 2z rule, 2 into 7 that is 14, 2z rule, right? Nitrogen, oxygen 8 even number we apply 2z rule, 2 into 8 that is 16, we apply 2z rule, right? Oxygen. Hydrogen, mass 1.081, helium 4, lithium 7, beryllium 9, boron 11, carbon 12, nitrogen 14, oxygen 16, right? Then oxygen 9, odd number we apply 2z plus 1, 2 into 9 plus 1, that is 19. We apply 2z plus 1 rule, right? Similarly, for in neon, that is 10. 10 type of number, even number, we apply 2z rule, 2 into 10, that is 20. We apply 2z rule, 2z rule. Okay. Neon, sodium, sodium 11, odd number, we apply 2z plus 1 rule, that is 23. 2z plus 1, right? Sodium, that is magnesium, that is 12. Even number, we apply 2 into 12, 24. We apply 2z rule, right? Magnesium, aluminum 13. Co number period 13 that co number. Odd number, we apply 2z plus 1 rule, 2 into 13 plus 1, that is 27. 2z plus 1 rule. Aluminum, silicon 14. Okay, 14 co number, even number, we apply 2z rule, 2 into 14, that is 28, right? We apply 2z rule. Silicon, phosphorus 15. 15 co number, odd number, को rule apply करेगा 2z plus 1 rule, 2 into 15 plus 1, that is 31 phosphorus. Okay, the mass of atomic mass of fluorine is 19, neon 20, sodium 23, magnesium 24, aluminum 27, silicon 28, phosphorus 31, right? Similarly, calculate phosphorus, sulfur 16. 16 co number, even number, all pakeba 2z rule, 2 into 16, that is 32. We apply 2z rule. Okay, sulfur, chlorine 17, odd number but not obey this rule. We apply here 2z plus 1.5 rule, 2 into 17 plus 1.5, that is 35.5. This is different. Chlorine. Okay, apply here 2z plus 1.5 rule, right? Argon 18, even number but not obey this rule, 2z rule. Here we apply 2z plus 4 rule, that is 40. Here 2z plus 4 rule, right? Potassium 19, odd number, we apply 2z plus 1 rule, 2 into 19 plus 1, that is 39, right? Argon, potassium, calcium 20, right? Here 2 into 20, that is 40. We apply 2z rule. Okay, the mass of sulfur 32, chlorine 35.5, argon 40, potassium 39, calcium 40, right? Then for 21, 30, for even thile kon kariba 2z plus 4, odd thile kon kariba 2z plus 5, but for scandium and nickel we apply 2z plus 3 rule. Okay, for copper we apply 2z plus 5.5 rule. For zinc we apply 2z plus 5 rule. Okay, this is the rule for 21, 30 elements, right? Element scandium 21. For scandium I apply 2z plus 3, 2 into 21 plus 3, that is 45. We apply here 2z plus 3 rule, right? Scandium, titanium 22. Okay, 2 even number, we apply 2z plus 4, 2 into 22 plus 4, that is 34 plus 4, 48. Okay, we apply 2z plus 4. Scandium, titanium, vanadium 23. That is odd number, we apply 2z plus 5, 2 into 23 plus 5, that is 51. Okay, we apply 2z plus 5 rule. Scandium and vanadium, that is chromium 24. Even number, apply 2z plus 4, 2 into 24 plus 4, that is 52. Apply here 2Z plus 4. Chromium, manganese, okay, 25. Manganese का 25. Apply 2 into 25 plus 5, that is 55. Because 25 is of odd number, we apply 2Z plus 5 rule, right? Similarly, manganese, iron 26, even number, we apply 2Z plus 4, 2 into 26 plus 4, that is 56. We apply here 2Z plus 4 rule, right? Manganese, iron. Here see the atomic mass of scandium 35, titanium 48, vanadium 51, chromium 52, manganese 55, iron 56, right? Similarly, cobalt 27, okay, we apply 2Z plus 5 rule, 2 into 27 plus 5, that is 59, right? Apply here 2 into Z plus 5 rule, right? Cobalt nickel, that is 28, okay. Apply here 20 for nickel, we apply 2Z plus 3 rule, 2 into 28 plus 3, that is 59. Apply here 2Z plus 3 rule, right? Cobalt nickel. Copper, for copper we apply 29. Copper we apply 2Z plus 5.5 rule, 5.5. It is 2 into 29 plus 5.5, that is 63.5. We apply here 2Z plus 5.5 rule, right? Similarly, zinc, the last element, 30, even number but not follow this rule. Here for zinc we apply 2Z plus 5 rule. 2 into 30 plus 5, that is 65. Here we apply 2Z plus 5. Okay. This is all about the atomic mass of first 30 elements. They apply rules 2N, 2Z, 2Z plus 1, 2Z plus 4, 2Z plus 5 for even number and odd number. Okay. Now I have given some questions and sent answer in a WhatsApp number. Any doubt, you contact to me. Okay. Question for you. Question for you students only. Write the atomic mass of the following elements. Okay, following elements, that is zinc, helium, C, iron, D, copper, E, calcium, F, sodium, G, scandium, H, carbon, I, that is oxygen, J, that is nickel. ओके पिले माने आंसर करिवो जे आंसर आसिला ठीक ना भूल जानिया पई मो व्हाट्सएप नंबर रे सेंड कर दबो. व्हाट्सएप नंबर इज 9337124434. Okay, 977 124434. Okay, thank you a lot.